Today we're going to make this beautiful pear, walnut, and honey salad. To get started on making our pear, walnut, and honey salad, we're going to start with our pears. So I've cored these out, and I'm going to use a mandolin on the thickest setting that you can. I'm going to slice these. I'm going to do them actually right here. I washed them and I left the skin on. So for this salad, I think that it works with the skin. It's really up to you, but I like it. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And now we're going to build our salad. So for our salad, we have mixed greens right here. I have gorgonzola, I have walnuts, and then for our dressing, we're going to do olive oil, lemon, honey, salt, and pepper. So I'm going to put to build this, we're going to do all the pears down first. On the bottom of the dish, whatever platter you decide to do. And then we're going to build it with our lettuce next. So we're going to do our mixed greens. And we could spread them out a little. We have lots of mixed greens. This is a pretty one to serve when you have you have guests over. Let's put that right down the center. Fold it up. Perfect. And now we're going to take our walnuts, place them around. And next our gorgonzola. Gorgeous. And now our dressing. So for our dressing, we have olive oil. We'll do equal parts olive oil and honey, about 3 tablespoons of each for this. Whisk that together. I have the olive oil loosening up the honey so that we can make this into our dressing. And we're going to take some lemon and squeeze that in as well. Nice squeeze of lemon. Nice and refreshing. And now we're going to add our salt and pepper. You do this to taste, about half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of pepper. Drizzle that all over, and this salad is ready to be served. For the full recipe, visit NikkiKlekis.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you can buy some of my favorite entertaining items.